Best makeup apps. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. FaceApp. FaceApp is for makeup and beauty, which are extremely popular nowadays. The FaceApp application is available for both Android and iOS users and is created by a Russian company. You can modify your hairstyle and overall look with this app. Ucam Makeup. Users of iOS and Android devices can install the Ucam Makeup application for makeup and beauty. This app lets you experiment with different makeup looks and see which suits you best. Some of its distinctive aspects include changing the color of your eyes, reshaping the nose, removing blemishes, and analyzing the health of your skin. Instabuty. Instabuty is an application for editing selfie photos in order to make them suitable for social media. Android and iOS users can also use this app. In addition to blemish removal, slimming of the face and nose, and changing the hairstyle, this app also has similar features as YouCam Makeup. Perfect 365. One of the most popular trending apps on iOS and Android is Perfect 365. Many features are available to create virtual makeup for the face and hair. With this app, you have access to over 15 makeup tools and styles. Your colors can be customized as you wish. Photo Wonder. Another excellent makeup and beauty app is Photo Wonder. Additionally to adding beauty effects to pictures using the makeup tools in this app, you can also create collages to share on social media. Additionally, it's helpful for improving skin tones, removing blemishes, and slimming your face. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on.